Hey guys, it's Richard from Deborah, and in this video I'm going to be doing a tutorial of the SmartAdv affiliate network. Okay, so I am on the SmartAdv affiliate network website. As you can see, target the world. What can smart advertising do for you? So this stuff is more towards the advertiser's point of view. So we could go ahead and select publishers. Alright, so this is our page. As affiliate marketers, whenever we are on a network site, we are publishers. Alright, so we deliver results and service them like no other network in the world. Our high budgets, large payout and diversified offer portfolio make the SmartAdv network the one-stop shop to get the job done. And they've got some stuff here. So they've got 24/7 access to is it affiliate managers? We have relationships all over the world. Okay, so essentially they have offers that you can run all around the world. I think that's what they're trying to say there. They have some great affiliate managers, flexible payment terms to help drive your cash flow. Yeah, and some other stuff. And they obviously got reward programs to help keep us incentivized, you know, for sending traffic. It's almost like using a credit card, right? If you are using a credit card and you're spending on it, you also want some additional benefits to that, right? You know, if you got some Avios points, you got some air miles that are being collected, why not? So a lot of networks do have some good reward programs. That could be parties, it could be, you know, iPad. I don't know if iPad is still relevant, but it could be a MacBook Pro. But there's loads of different things and different ways in which they show appreciation to us affiliates, right? And these are some of the verticals that SmartAdv have. So auto, finance, auto insurance, BizOp, casino, CBD, credit cards, crypto, dating, diet, downloads, e-com, gaming, health. Wow, there's a lot of offers in this network. They've got loans, UK and US. Okay, they've got obviously sweepstakes, shopping, solar, travels and vacation, women's health. Wow, so there's a lot of potential offers to run with this network already. I haven't even looked inside, and there's a lot of potential, right? So if you wanted to sign up for this network, you go ahead and select the sign up button, which takes you over to this page. So you then enter in your contact information, first name, last name. If you have a business, enter that there. If you don't, just go ahead and select other. Put in your full name or your business name, your website, your address, and then this section here, as I say in all of my videos, this is going to be the most important part when you're applying to join a network. And this is a part that a lot of affiliates take for granted. This is the part of the application where you can sell yourself and sell your skills. So what traffic sources do you run? Are you Facebook? Are you native? Are you search? All that information needs to be demonstrated in a professional way. What verticals do you run? Do you run sweeps? Do you run Nutra? Do you run dating? Do you run gaming? Are you cost per install? Are you cost per lead? Are you cost per sale? All this information should be written up in this section because it tells the network that you are a serious affiliate. So they'll treat you with more respect, right? And if you get treated with more respect, then they'll have more time for you, especially at the start when you're joining the network, where you haven't kind of proven yourself in terms of volume with that particular network. So it's very important that you start the relationship off correctly, you start it off right, and you take some time when you're completing this section of the application form. Obviously you put in your Skype ID up there, and then that's it. After that point, you know, you most likely will get in touch with the affiliate manager or somebody in the onboarding team. They'll reach out to you, just kind of double verify some of the information that you said in your application, and if all is well, then you know you'll be accepted onto the network. They'll kind of figure out what geos you want to run and start giving you some offers to start testing. Very simple. But you know what, let's take a look inside of the SmartAdv affiliate platform. Okay, so I've got my ad blocker on. Let me switch that off. It's a bit naughty as an affiliate, right? Switch that off. Just gonna refresh this page, and that should go away. But as you can see already straight away, you might start to notice some trends between different networks, right? I believe it's Click Dealer who have a very similar layout, but it's just because the back-end software that these networks are using are the same software, so they just change their logo, change some of the branding, etc. But this is good because when it comes to setting up the tracking and stuff like that, it's probably the exact same thing as another network. So if you've ran a network that looks like this before, then the tracking and stuff will be very similar, if not exactly the same with this one. So yeah, as we can see, we see revenue, clicks, conversions, your CVR, total events, EVR, and yeah, so this is just the main dashboard that you see. So if you're running traffic, you'll be able to see your trend line for your revenue. You know, you'll see yesterday's revenue. You can kind of do it week by week. So today is Monday, so I'll be able to see last Monday if I selected that, and I could kind of track my week by week progress, right? So if I was doing worse today, I'd be able to see that very clearly. And you know, as affiliates, not only do we compete with other affiliates, we compete with ourselves, right? We're constantly trying to grow our campaigns, grow our revenues. So dashboards like that are really useful, and I like them personally. So let's take a look at some of the offers that are inside of SmartAdv. This is probably the most exciting part, right? Let's have a look. Okay, cool. So we see a bunch of offers already. Well, let's try and filter out these offers because we don't want to see all of them, do we? I'm going to leave the geo, leave the platform, focus on the categories, and let's have a look. Let's see what they have. See what health offers they have. Yeah. Okay. Okay, nice. So age-defying energy, $100 payout. So I'm guessing that potentially is an expensive product for the user, right? Let's see if we can search for particularly COD in here. For COD is cash on delivery. If you don't know what COD is and you never heard of COD, cash on delivery is essentially where you have traditional e-commerce, and then we have COD, cash on delivery. So we will promote offers such as, you know, for example, fat burner product, right? Send that traffic to a landing page. Typically it could be like an advertorial style page, or you know, or even a VSL, so a virtual sales letter page. And essentially when that traffic goes to that landing page, they will then kind of click through and go to the offer page. The offer page will ask them for their name or their phone number and potentially their address, but most likely their name and phone number. And then somebody from a call center will give them a ring within the next few hours. And essentially once they've confirmed that they want to receive the product and they're willing to pay in person and by cash, and the call center approves that lead as viable, they have their own sort of screening questions. We as the affiliate, we get paid, right? We get paid before the product has even been delivered by the courier, right? So we get paid before there's any cash actually exchanged. We will receive that $14, that $21, that $22, that $14, that $14, that come to us before any money is exchanged, and no money is even exchanged online because it's cash on delivery. So that's essentially like some of the basics of cash on delivery, but they have quite a few available offers inside of this network from what I can see. Let's try and take a look at one of the offers. So we have this fat burner. Let's see if we can have a look. You may need to apply though before we can see it, but let's have a look. Good. Okay, so we actually have a preview URL as well. So I'm gonna check that out. Alright, so this is the offer kind of pre-lander. As you can see, it's like traditional sort of advertorial style, Divine magazine. Obviously I don't know what that says. Let me see if I can translate it. as I brought my husband back after losing 26 kg. Yeah, so this essentially it's going to be promoting some form of like tea or like pills or something. Yeah, fat burner evolution. So, and this is the structure. So essentially this is the psychology behind these sort of campaigns, right? You're essentially helping guide the customer or the potential customer through the sales cycle by presenting them with an advertorial which they can read and they consume, and they can kind of get essentially sold through the content. And that's how these advertorial lands work, and they are very, very, very effective, I must say. So that's one of the offers. This offer in particular pays out $21. It's Italian offer. Italy, you can get very cheap traffic. Sorry. So yeah, this is a nice offer to potentially run. Converts on cash on delivery. Beautiful. This is exactly what we want to see. So they also have smart links. They got the postbacks, all the basics, invoices. Obviously, if you need to look at your invoices for your accounting, notifications to make sure that if there's a particular offer that's going to reach its cap, they can send you an email to let you know, so you're aware of everything that's going on. They obviously got the reporting, which is like the statistics, daily stats, your hourly stats, your conversions. You can look into everything in more detail. So for an offer such as COD, where it's a more higher ticket than like traditional sweepstakes, you may want to look at your conversions. You'll see a list of like approved, not approved, and so forth, and you can figure out where you've kind of got that traffic from. That might not be a good source of traffic if it's got a low approval rate, and you can run the traffic that has a higher approval rate, so that you have a higher return on your investment. Simple as that. But yeah, this is a nice platform, nice network from what I can see, and it's fairly easy to sort of navigate. And yeah, so I guess the one thing that I do want to check out with SmartAdv is actually if we can see the payouts for affiliates. I know that's super important, right? Is that available on this page? Let's have a look. Take a look inside the network. Okay. Oh, that's terms and conditions. So I guess it's something that you probably need to reach out to the affiliate manager once you sort of join the network. Something you can reach out to your affiliate manager and ask them straight away. In fact, if you're onboarded to the network, they'll probably tell you in the first 10 minutes of a conversation, because that's exactly what affiliates want to know straight away. So SmartAdv, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hope you got a better idea of what's happening inside of the network. If you want to run any of these offers, it seems like a good network to run with. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm also releasing content around sort of COD. Right now I'm on a journey to reach $1,000 a day with cash on delivery. Make sure you watch those videos. I'm going through step by step exactly how that stuff is working. But yeah, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next vid.
Allow me to introduce the Dijs University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dijs University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.